How to easily create a Duolingo account. So to start, what we need to do is to open our Duolingo application, and then in here you will be given two choices. If you already have an account, all you need to do is to tap on the second option, but if you are trying to create an account, tap on the Get Started option. After that, tap on Continue, and then in here it says that you will be asked 7 quick questions. All you need to do is to tap again on Continue, and then in here you are asked what language you want to learn. So as an example, I'm gonna tap on Korean and then tap on Continue. And then after that, in here you will be asked where you heard about the Duolingo app. As for me, I'm just gonna tap on YouTube and then tap on Continue. So in here, as you can see, I am asked how much Korean I know. So if you are also learning, I suggest that you choose I am new to Korean, and then after that, tap on Continue. And then in here, you will be asked why you are learning the language. As for me, I want to boost my career. After that, tap again on Continue. And then in here, you will be asked your daily learning goal. As for me, I'm just gonna select 3 minutes per day. After that, tap on I'm committed. And then in here, tap on Continue. And then after that, it will show us what we are going to learn or what we are going to achieve in 3 months. In here, it says we are going to achieve converse with confidence, build up our vocabulary, and then develop a learning habit. Once we're done with this, simply tap on Continue. And then in here, I suggest you select the recommended one. And then after that, tap on Continue. So, as you can see here, my account is now created and now I am starting to learn Korean. So, I'm just gonna do this quick exercise and then simply select on the check, then continue, check, then continue. So, that's how easy you can create a Duolingo account. Thanks for watching, and if you find this video helpful, please don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button, and then the notification bell so you won't miss any of our future videos. See you on the next one!